Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. All
Good
the
evening.
aspirants, Dr. Asif Iqbal sir have joined us. So we'll be starting with the masterclass. Today's topic is masterclass on imaging, and the faculty that we have here is Dr. Asif Iqbal sir. He is a HOD Respiratory Critical Care and ECMO Services at Apollo Multispeciality Hospital, Kolkata. So, sir, it's a request to kindly share your PPT. Then we'll starting when you are ready.
So I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So student, today I will take CVS classes, EDIC to CVS. Just you have a orientation that in CVS there will be three table. One table, each table you will get 10 minutes time. And in 10 minutes, you will get 8 to 10 questions. So for each question, you will get hardly 1 minute. But for lab, you will get 8 to 10. But in image, you can get 10 to 12 images. And loop and curve also, you will get 10 to 12 loop and curves. So today I will take the image classes, and in image classes that you might get CT scan, chest X-ray, USG image, and CT scan. Also, you will get the MRI image, but for MRI image, you will in EDIC syllabus, it is restricted to cervical spine, brain, and sometime your pelvic MRI. But most commonly, they give cervical image and the brain image in the MRI. In X-ray, you will get chest X-ray mainly. You might get abdominal X-ray also. It is also included in the syllabus. In CT scan, you will get brain CT, you will get chest CT, you will get abdominal CT. And in USG, you will get mainly chest images, and also you might get abdominal USG clip. And chest X-ray is more popular. The X-ray is more popular. Rather, not to tell about chest X-ray. X-ray is more popular, and you might get at least four to uh, 4 to 5 X-rays or 3 to 4 X-rays. So, and it is not like that in final year MBBS or in your MD, you will get questions. You have to describe elaborately, because you remember that EDIC exam is a time constant exam. So time management is more important. You have to be very careful about your time, and you can't because it is an online exam, and you have to always stick to the focus on the camera, so you can't say check the watch, and you can see. So it is better to do practice. And if you want to check watch, then you keep your watch when they will check the surrounding, and you show them the watch, and you keep on the watch, eye on the watch on your computer, or you may do the uh, stopwatch in your screen. But it is advisable you keep watch during your exam. So let's start like your the chest X-ray. We'll start with the chest X-ray. So very important thing that you know the landmarking or anatomical marking of the knowledge of the areas. Mainly, you have to when you will provide any chest X-ray, you have to check the certain things like tracheal position, whether there is a pneumothorax or there is a pleural effusion, whether line is there, center line, and more importantly, you have to check the whether IBP is there, the balloon is you are getting image of the balloon or not. And also don't forget to check the heart valve. Sometime you will get the wiring, and there is a small ring shaped structure in the chest x-ray. So if you miss that, you will lose the marking. You may lose the marking, you may fail this exam. So it is not like that you forget to mention that whether the exposure is adequate or not, whether it is a PA view or AP view. This hardly matters, but you have to give the right diagnosis during your explanation. You have to identify the pathology. Similarly, in the CT scan of also you have to have the knowledge of the anatomical landmark on the CT, so you can identify, because when you will describe any lesion, you have to describe the anatomical position on that. And more importantly, you have to know the whether this film is contrast film and non-contrast film, and if that contrast film is given, then you have to remember what are the pathology, need to know the contrast exposure. So that will make your diagnosis more easy. And sometime it is superimposed two three pathology or two three findings on the CT. So be careful when you are describing the CT. And these are the anatomical landmark of this one. I will upload the PPT in the group, so you will understand easily.